Chapter 12. The Weather. Stepping Up. Weather. The three seasons. Yesterday it was so hot and dry, but today it is raining. This is because of the change in weather. Weather is different on different days. Some days are hot and some are cold. On some days, black clouds hide the sun, while some days are dry and windy. Hot and sunny days. In summers, the days are hot. The sun shines brightly. We wear light-colored cotton clothes. We like to eat ice creams and have cold drinks. Fans, coolers and air conditioners are used to keep us cool. Cold days. In winters, the days are cold. We wear woolen clothes to keep warm. We like to have hot drinks such as tea, cocoa in hot milk, soup, coffee, etc. It snows at some places when it is very cold. Rainy days. On some days, it rains a lot. The sky is covered with dark clouds. We use an umbrella or a raincoat to keep ourselves dry while going out. On a rainy day, everything around us is wet. We sometimes see a rainbow in the sky after it rains. There are 7 colors in it. Fun time. Color the umbrella. Windy day. Strong winds blow on a windy day. A strong wind can blow away many things. We see branches of trees and plants moving on a windy day. Why should we not go out on a windy day? Let us say it again. Weather keeps changing from day to day. The 3 seasons are summer, winter and monsoon or rainy season. It is hot in summer and we wear cotton clothes. It is cold in winter and we wear woolen clothes. It rains during the monsoon and we use umbrella or raincoat. Exercise. A. Tick the correct option. 1. We like to drink hot drinks in A. Summers. B. Winters. C. None of these. 2. We like to sit near this when we feel hot. A. Heater. B. Bulb. C. Fan. 3. We use this on a rainy day. A. Umbrella. B. Parachute. C. Woolen cap. 4. A rainbow can be seen in the sky on A. Rainy day. B. Windy day. C. Sunny day. B. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the brackets. 1. Keeps on changing. Weather climate. 2. We use an. When it rains. Cap umbrella. 3. For strong. Can blow away things. Clouds wind. 4. We wear. Clothes on hot days. Woolen cotton. 5. We wear. Clothes on cold days. Cotton woolen. 6. We like to drink. On a hot day. Tea cold drink. 7. On a rainy day the sky is covered with dark cloud stars. 8. We drink. Things on a cold day. Cold hot. C. Tick the correct sentences and cross the wrong ones. 1. Cotton clothes keep us warm. 2. The season changes from day to day. 3. The rainy season is also called monsoon. 4. We wear cotton clothes in winter. D. Answer these questions. 1. In which season do you need to wear warm woolen clothes? 2. Write names of 2 things that you need to protect yourself from the rain. 3. What do you like to eat in summer? 4. What are the 3 main seasons? HOTS questions. 1. Ayushman has just entered his house. His eyes are red and his hair is dirty and dry. What do you think he faced on the way, dust storm or rain? What should he do, go to sleep or take a bath? 2. Grandma asked Manasvi why clothes dry quickly in summers. Activity 1. Make a paper boat on a rainy day. Float it in the rain water and have lots of fun. You can take help of an elder to make a paper boat. 2. Here are some pictures of clothes we wear. Color the clothes in that blue we wear when the days are cold, color the clothes in yellow that we wear when the days are hot, and color the clothes in green when the days are rainy. Life skills. We need to take care of ourselves in changing weather. Do you take care of yourself? Tick the correct option. 1. Do you drink a lot of water in summer? 2. Do you take an umbrella while going out in the rain? 3. Do you have ice cream in winter? 4. Do you go out to play when there is a storm? Teacher's tips. Discuss each season at length along with the changes that can be seen. Example, differences in the clothes we wear, the food we eat, and the festivals we celebrate.